Hi, I'm Ryon Bell, and I'm a Streets and Drainage Manager for the City of Sugar Land. And my job is to make sure water goes where it's supposed to and doesn't go where it's not supposed to. Quick fact to start us off, about 70% of the earth is covered in water. You drink it, wash with it, and use it at school and home. So yeah, water is kind of a big deal. Water is part of your everyday life, but most people don't think about what happens behind the scenes to keep water clean and moving. That's where people like me and lots of others come in. My team and I help keep streets safe and neighborhoods dry. We take care of storm drains, ditches, pipes, and underground systems that carry rainwater away when it storms. When there's a heavy rain, flooding, or a drainage block, we're out there figuring out the problem and fixing it. Here's another fact. An average community uses millions of gallons of water every single day. Yeah, that's a lot of water. And it has to all go somewhere. Some days we're outside, some days we use maps, computers, or other equipment. But every day is different and every day feels important. The work we do helps protect people, homes, and the environment. When stormwater is managed the right way, the community is safer, streets are safer, homes don't flood, and rivers and lakes stay cleaner. A lot of people never see our work, but they will notice when something goes wrong. So why choose a career in public works? Why choose a career in water? It's simple. We make a real difference. If you like being hands-on, working outdoors sometimes, and helping people stay safe, this might be a great path for you. When you take care of water, you're taking care of your community, and honestly, that's a pretty awesome job.